how to use Vlookup in Excel. Okay, so first of all, we want the lookup to happen here. So we're going to create this formula. It's equals. Then we're going to write Vlookup, then parenthesis. Now, first we're going to select the cell to look up. In this case, it's A7, then comma. Now we're going to select all the cells we want to look this up on. There it is, A2, B5, now comma. And we're looking at the selection or category on the second column. This is the first column and this is the second column. We're going to write A2 for the second column, then comma and false. We close a parenthesis and click enter. And there you have it. Iceland 40, same as here. That's how you use Vlookup in Excel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.